So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am selling some of my luxury designer handbags at crazy good prices, and I am trashing one. You could take a wild guess which one that is. Now, please pay attention. I will get to which bags I'm selling, how it's even going to work, how to pay. All of the details will be listed down below in the description box, but I am going to go over the instructions because I feel like this could get a little chaotic. But first, I want to make a very clear statement to my subscribers, my followers, to anyone that watches my channel. I am completely disgusted by Balenciaga, and I will never support this brand again. If you are confused about this whole situation, please Google it. I am not going to go into all of the premeditated and planned details, but it is disgusting, vile, evil, and I will never, ever, ever support the brand again. So this is going right in the trash. And I know some of you think I should maybe donate the bag or maybe sell the bag so that I could get money for it and then maybe donate that money to a children's charity. And I understand that, but I view that bag as evil and I would never want to pass that along to anyone else. So I will be trashing the bag, taking probably thousands of dollars because that's how much that stupid bag costs. And whatever money I make from all of these handbag sales from this video, I will take that total amount and I will donate it to a really good children's charity. Now, you can obviously have your own thoughts about this entire situation. That is totally fine. However, I know where I stand and I wanted to make it very clear that I will never purchase anything from Balenciaga again. I will never wear anything by Balenciaga again, and I will never support the brand ever again. Also want to make one more statement, and I was not planning on saying this, but I just want you guys to know I am completely against cancel culture. It has gone too far. Honestly, it's so stupid. It is so stupid. I'll probably be canceled one day. I mean, literally. However, this, I just want to also make it clear, is completely different. This involves children and intentional things with children. So to me, this is completely acceptable to cancel them. Let's move on to happier things. So I have some bags that I'm going to sell, and I've talked about this before, and I've said, oh, I'm gonna start doing it on Instagram because maybe that's a little bit easier. No, that was not easier. And in fact, one of my friends sold a real bag. It was a Louis Vuitton legit authentic bag. And I think she was flagged for it being a replica, even though it totally wasn't. Her account was disabled. It just shook me to my core, and I'm like, I cannot be doing this on Instagram. And so I am going to have all of the prices down below in the description box, and they're gonna be darn good. I don't know, I haven't decided, like as the time of me filming this video, I don't know what the prices are gonna be, but I really take pride in selling these items for darn good prices because it's the least I can do to kind of like pay you guys back. Like, you watch my videos, you click on my videos, you know, this has turned into my career. So I'm going to make these prices crazy good. Now, as far as payment, I will be using PayPal, and it'll be like the PayPal friends and family. If you don't trust me, that is fine, don't buy the bag. I assure you that once we complete the transaction, we will pack it up so nicely and get it to you ASAP, like very fast. Josh is on this. And we will send you what I have, which will probably be the dust bag and the box. I'm not going to send you guys receipts. I've done that in the past. I don't like how my personal information is on it, my like credit card, like some of the numbers, like I'm just not doing the receipts. But I assure you everything is authentic. Some of the bags I have purchased myself pre-loved, so they might come in like a Fashionphile dust bag, you know what I mean? So I will have all of the details down below of what you can expect, and if you're interested, great. If you're not, great. I will also have an email down below. You have to contact that email, and the first person that emails, like I'm just gonna go in the order, you know what I mean? It's not gonna be at random. It's like the first person interested, only serious inquiries, please. Again, I feel like this could get really chaotic and things could sell out fast. I'm so sorry if things are already sold out, but I will try to update the description box as we go along. But let's just get into the first bag that I am selling, which is not surprising because I hate this bag. I literally hate this bag, but it's the Louis Vuitton Coussin bag. It is brand new. I've literally worn this like one time and I hate it. I know there's people interested. I mean, it's still going for like high price tag. But this is pristine condition. I bought it brand new from the store. I really just hate it because of how confusing and discombobulated the straps are. I think it's a really beautiful color, and I love how well, I don't love, but you can wear it in a lot of different ways if you remove the different straps. Like, it has potential. I just hate it, but maybe you love it. I'm also selling this Chanel bag, which this I did buy pre-loved. And when I look at it in like my monitor here, it does look nice. Like, it's a really beautiful beige color. That's why I bought it. I just never wear it. I have other Chanel bags I'm going to reach for like a million times before this one. So it's, it's a vintage bag. It holds quite a bit. It has a magnetic opening and closing. This is like the inside. Like, it holds a lot. I definitely don't hate this one, but I don't necessarily love it either. And then we have this YSL Loulou puffer bag, and it is in a lambskin material. I think the outside looks very good. I've definitely worn this a decent amount. I would say the inside, there are some scuff marks, probably from my fingernails like reaching into the bag. It's not like scratched, but it's scuffed. It holds quite a bit. I love how the straps are so adjustable. It's just so soft and gushy. It's a really comfortable bag to wear. I think it looks great in the fall and winter. And if you notice the hardware, it is a matte black, which is a little bit different than the typical gold and silver. So definitely really do like this bag. I just don't wear it that often anymore. I would say I also need to pass along this bag. It's the Chloe Mini Marcie bag. It's a beautiful camel color. Again, it's something I just don't ever wear. It definitely has kind of like a Western vibe, which is really in right now. But again, I just don't reach for it. It doesn't hold a ton. It really is like a mini bag, but it still even has like the Chloe paperwork in here. So this is in really good condition. I did buy it brand new. And this one I think will be an especially low price. Also, for those of you that do love a good luxury unboxing, I'm still like every once in a while interested in handbags, but I'm so much more into jewelry, and I do have a Cartier unboxing coming up. I haven't filmed it yet, but Josh got me something from Cartier for Christmas, and I already opened it. I did, and oh my gosh, I love it. So stay tuned for that video. I think I'm gonna post it on Christmas because it is, what I got for Christmas video. Now, if you are interested in a Burberry scarf, this one is also available. I am selling it. I've never worn it. I had really good intentions because I did pick a good one. I mean, this is a great color combo. It's so classic. It really is pretty. I just never wear it. I don't ever wear scarves, but this one especially, like, I'm just paranoid because I think it's so beautiful and I have makeup and I'll like smear it onto the scarf and I need to just not care, but I do, and so I don't wear it. So anyway, this is a 100% cashmere scarf, and I really think, like I said, the color combo and just the pattern, it's just perfect. I picked a good one. So if you're interested, it's available. So those are the 5 items that I will be currently selling, and I do have some other items I'm interested in selling. However, I am genuinely concerned this is going to get out of hand, and we'll just do little baby steps. So make sure you check which email down below to email because it is a different one. I don't want to clog up my main email, and then once we agree, then I will let you know what my PayPal information is, and it has to be friends and family. Otherwise, they take a percentage of it. And so if you don't do friends and family, I'll just send it back to you and I'll probably just move on to the next person. But again, everything is down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I really, really appreciate you guys. I'll see you very soon. Bye.